What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra on deck, and today is an accessory video. So guys, it was time for me to get a new screen protector. I had a crazy weekend with my phone. Cracked my screen protector, and thank goodness I only cracked my screen protector. But I wanted to try something different. I wanted to try something tried and true. I've never had this on the Samsung device before, but I rock this a lot on my iPhones. We got the Spigen GlasRT or GlasTR Easy Fit. We just gonna call it the Spigen Easy Fit screen protector. As you can see, it's a 2-pack, so it come with 2 of them bad boys in there. I believe 9H hardened screen protectors. So definitely gonna add some protection to my Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thank God for the flat display. We take a look at the back. We got easy installation, real glass, oleophobic coating, 9A surface hardness, Spigen case friendly. But I believe if it's Spigen case friendly, it's friendly with a lot of cases because, as you know, all they're going to make sure to do is go around the exact edge of the screen and don't overlap. So if it's friendly with the Spigen case, it's probably friendly with a lot of other cases. So we're going to get everything out like so. I believe we got all the contents out the box. Let's sit that's there. And one thing I like about these, they come with a frame. So the frame is going to help me just line this. That's one thing I have a hard time with all screen protectors, lining them up. The frame is going to help me line the screen protector up really easy. Also, of course, we're going to have all our cleaning materials because it's imperative that we clean our screen really well before we apply this thing. And we got a really nice squeegee. A lot of time with a lot of the stuff in these kits I throw away, make sure for sure I'm going to keep this squeegee. So we got some easy instructions here. We're going to clean it. We're going to microfiber it. We're going to dust it. Then we're going to peel the back film off of the screen protector, slap it on the phone, slide back and forth with our finger, remove the whole sticker, then pull up. Then we're going to pull a protection film off the screen protector, and voila, at step 10, we should have a nicely applied screen protector. And if we don't, if we got any bubbles and things of that nature, we take the squeegee to it. So everything look really clean, so I'm going to go ahead and apply it down. Remember, gotta take this adhesive off the back first so it can stick to the phone screen. So adhesive dissolve. And on here, it points to the top. It shows you top up here. So we're going in the right direction. We're going to slide this back and forth. I'm sliding back and forth. Sliding back and forth. Sliding back and forth. Sliding back and forth. And wait 30 seconds. Put the time on. So we're going to remove this sticker right here. Lift up. Then we're going to remove this sticker. Now, me, myself, I always add a new fingerprint after I install a tempered glass screen protector because of the display fingerprint scanner. Now, we got a nice clean install. Let's just go ahead and check out the fingerprint scanner. Boom. Like I told y'all, as soon as y'all install this, just do another biometric scan. So this was a nice and simple, easy install on a tempered glass screen protector for your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I'll put a link down in the description. Make sure you keep your display protected on this expensive device. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.